Evolution is the process of slow phenotypic and genotypic changes in a species over generation which are useful to adapted in a changing environment. Natural selection is a process of selecting the best animals which are suited to that environment naturally. Our climate and environment are constantly changing with different temperature ranges and other parameters. As environment changes, species living in that environment also changes, decreasing that animals which cannot adapt to that environment and only best adapted to that environment remain to live. Then these animals further reproduce, giving their best qualities to their offspring. Then offsprings are also naturally selected, hence slowly and gradually changes to population are the process of evolution. The theory of evolution was proposed by Charles Darwin, where it explains the origin, the changes of organism from time to time due to adaptation in its environment, and the ancestors of different organisms. Also referred to as the Darwinian theory, as it was developed by Charles Darwin. It basically states that every single organism came from one common ancestor, and everything is related, from the birds to the bees, and the cats and the dogs. In a nutshell, as one common ancestor produced offspring, and that offspring produced more. Every generation underwent some mutation, and as the beneficial mutations or properties were passed on, called natural selection. Time went on and on until an entirely different organism was created. Fossil record. Evidence of species that no longer exist have been found by scientists through fossils. The fossils record also shows how environmental conditions on Earth may have changed over time. Homologous body structure. The way organisms are put together provides important evidence of evolution. Homologous structures share a common ancestry. Vestigial structures refers to some structures found in living things have no function with no purpose. They are homologous to organs that are very useful in other species. Similarities of embryo. Observe some organisms' embryo and it shows that all embryos have gill slits, and it suggests that the similarities are evidence that all vertebrates share common ancestors. Biochemical evidence. Similarities of amino acids of their proteins in other organisms.